Okay, underwater volcano, day 6, I think. There's not much churning at all anymore. And the pyroclastic flow is only going down one side. This volcano here, obviously, dormant. This one here, there's nothing going down the other sides. It's only going down the one side. And it still looks pretty cool that way. So I imagine it's not going to be getting any taller. And it's going to be stopping soon. Hopefully a new vein opens up somewhere else. Look at how big it's gotten since the first video. It's risen like maybe 7 inches off the floor of the channel here since it started. Oh, that is so cool. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.